everyone, and welcome to another episode of Humanitarian Horizons. Christina DiArcangelo Unveiled. I'm your host, Christina DiArcangelo. And today I wanted to share something with all of you that is incredibly close to my heart. Not just as the founder of Affinity Patient Advocacy, but as someone who's witnessed firsthand how advocacy can change lives. On Friday, October 30th in 2026, from 6 until 11 p.m., we will gather at the beautiful and historic Mills House Hotel in downtown Charleston, South Carolina, for our Great Gatsby Gala, a night of hope, advocacy, and impact. It will be an evening of elegance, purpose, and celebrating more than 11 years of advocacy while raising funds to expand our programs that help patients, caregivers, seniors, and families navigate some of the life's most difficult healthcare challenges. But I want to tell you something. This isn't really about the gala. It's about people. When I first founded Affinity Patient Advocacy in 2015, it wasn't because I wanted to start a nonprofit. Owning a nonprofit is very difficult. It was not an easy endeavor. I have always worked on the for-profit sector in my career, so learning about the nonprofit sector was a lot. I had to learn a lot in a very quick amount of time. However, the reason why I decided to do this was because I saw people were falling through the cracks. Patients didn't know where to turn. Families were overwhelmed by complicated healthcare systems. Caregivers struggling in silence. I saw this firsthand with my dad's care when he was diagnosed with stage 4 liver, lung, and stomach cancers in 2015. From diagnosis to death, it was less than 2 months. This changed my life forever. That experience reinforced something I had believed for years. Healthcare isn't about medicine. It's about humanity. Every person deserves to have someone standing beside them when they need it most. That's exactly why Affinity Patient Advocacy exists. For more than a decade, our organization has provided patient advocacy, healthcare navigation, caregiver support, educational initiatives. We took on elder advocacy, elder abuse advocacy, and humanitarian outreach to individuals and families facing complex healthcare challenges. People often ask me, why Great Gatsby? The Roaring 20s represents optimism, resilience, innovation, a belief that tomorrow could be a better day than today was. That's exactly what advocacy represents, in my opinion. Hope. When someone calls us after a devastating diagnosis, hope. When a caregiver is exhausted and simply needs someone to listen, hope. When a vulnerable senior has someone willing to finally fight for them, hope. This gala isn't about stepping back into the 1920s. It's about moving healthcare advocacy forward. When guests arrive at the Mill House Hotel, they'll enjoy an evening inspired by the elegance of the Gatsby era, while supporting a mission that changes lives. This evening will include a cocktail reception, live entertainment, networking, a silent auction, patient impact stories, award presentations, a legacy tribute, a fund a need appeal supporting patient advocacy programs. Guests will also enjoy tasting stations as well as curated hors d'oeuvres. Each ticket includes a promotional 5-day, 4-night Cancun vacation, although taxes, resort fees, and airfare are excluded. Most importantly, every ticket purchased helps fund the work we do every single day, because the work that Affinity Patient Advocacy does and has been doing for the past 11 years is at no cost. We do not charge our patients, and we do not charge our elders that we work with to fight their fights. One of the highlights of the evening will be recognizing individuals whose lives show compassion, service, and leadership. We are going to present our first Humanitarian Leadership Award to someone whose leadership reflects integrity, humanitarianism, patient advocacy, and a meaningful community impact. We will also present the Guardian of Dignity Award, recognizing the extraordinary commitment to elder advocacy, vulnerable adult protection, caregiver support, patients' rights, community service, and human dignity. Leadership is not measured by titles. It is measured by how many lives we actually improve. This evening is also deeply personal for me. We will officially launch the Albert J. DiArcangelo Senior Legacy Scholarship. My father taught me many, many things in my life, but he specifically taught me that success means very little if you are not helping others succeed. He believed in integrity, hard work, compassion, service. Those values became the foundation of Affinity patient advocacy. Through this scholarship, his legacy will be continuing to support future leaders committed to advocacy, healthcare, public service, and improving patient outcomes. If you're listening today, I would love to personally invite you, whether you're a healthcare professional, a business leader, a caregiver, just an everyday person, or simply someone who believes every person deserves compassion and dignity. This is the place for you at this gala. You can attend, become a sponsor, donate silent auction items, honor someone you love through our tribute program, or simply help us spread the word. Every act of support creates another opportunity for someone to receive the advocacy they desperately need. Advocacy is not just about solving problems. It is about restoring hope when people believe they have run out of it. That's exactly what this evening represents: hope, community, leadership, and a belief that together we can make a difference. I hope you all will join us on October 30th, 2026 at the Mills House Hotel in Charleston, South Carolina. To purchase a ticket, become a sponsor, or learn more about the event, please visit us at affinitypatientadvocacy.org/events. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today on Humanitarian Horizons. Until next time, each patient deserves a voice. Each caregiver deserves support, and every act of compassion has the power to change a life. Remember, I am Christina DiArcangelo. Thank you for listening, and I will see you all soon.